Hi, this is Vince Haley with Wesley Chapel Toyota. Just wanted to take a few minutes to answer your questions. First, you asked, why Toyota? Toyota is the #1 brand in the world. We have some of the most reliable cars. As an example, the Corolla, 80% of the Corollas built in the last 20 years are still on the road. Camry, last 10 years, 90% of those vehicles are still on the road. We have a great track record of safety, always having vehicles in the IHS Top Safety Pick Plus. Plus, you're going to have reliability along with your resale value because of cost of ownership over 5 years. Majority of the Toyotas beat their competitor each year in that category. With respect to why Wesley Chapel Toyota, we are the home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. We're going to extend your powertrain warranty out to the life of the vehicle regardless of time, regardless of miles. Your engine, your transmission, your water pump, fuel pump, lubricated parts of the gasoline engine are going to be covered the life that you own the vehicle. The only requirement, ASE certified mechanic for your factory recommended maintenance. Also, we have an amazing management staff that's enthusiastic, passionate, and they truly love to sell cars. Here at Wesley Chapel Toyota, we not only worry about selling cars, but we also are very involved in the community. 2011, we won the Pasco County Philanthropic Corporation of the Year award. Still to this day, we give back by donating a portion of every car that we sell to the Moffitt Cancer Center. We're involved with Everyday Blessings, which is a local foster care that provides siblings to keep them together until the parental family or an adoption family will take all of the siblings at one time. We also help with Ronald McDonald House. We cook meals once a month for those families that are staying there to give them one less thing to worry about. We here at Wesley Chapel truly believe in customer service. We've won the Toyota President's Award the last 7 years in a row. It's not just about how many cars you sell or how many cars you service, but how satisfied are the people that bought cars and service cars with you. We're also DealerRater.com. 3 years in a row, the Toyota and Scion Dealer of the Year in the state of Florida. We are here to serve you. And last but not least, you ask, why would you want to buy from me? Well, I'm here to truly help you find the car that's going to meet your wants, your needs, your desires, and it's going to have fun driving. And on top of that, I'm going to help you get it comfortably within your budget, so you can trust me in that I'm a 1992 graduate of the United States Naval Academy. I'm an ordained minister, and I truly want to help you. I'm going to ask you a lot of questions, but I'm going to truly listen to your answers and help you find that right car. So let's go do that.